Presenting the Tecno Spark 9. It comes in color options of Holy White and Vitality Green, Sky Mirror and Infinity Black. The phone has display of 37% improvement, 269 ppi pixel density for richer colors and 6.6 inches HD plus dot-notch display. The phone also has 180 Hz touch sampling rate and 90 Hz refresh rate. It has 13 MP rear dual camera. It has 8 MP selfie camera. It has no support for Africa, help of memory fusion technology and portrait HDR smile shot. AI scene detection, shoot clear 1080p time-lapse and multiple AI modes. It comes with up to 30 days long standby, 133 hours music playback and ultra battery saver mode for extreme backup, 25 hours video playback, 5000 mAh battery and 26 hours calling. It has 128 GB EEPROM and up to 11 GB larger RAM, 6 GB LPDDR4X plus 5 GB virtual RAM. It runs on iOS 8.6 based on Android 12. It is powered by 64-bit 2.3 GHz max CPU frequency and MediaTek Helio G37 gaming processor. It also features video to MP3, fast media converter, master of language, multilingual translation expert and smart scene. Never miss any exciting events. Video editor, choose different themes, filters and create creative original videos and photo video, select few of your photos.